Welcome to this tutorial on Uniswap Analytics, a comprehensive guide to understanding the importance and benefits of using Uniswap Analytics in your trading and investment decisions. First, let's start with the basics. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the trading of cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. Uniswap Analytics refers to the process of analyzing and interpreting data related to Uniswap, including trading volumes, liquidity, and market trends. Using Uniswap Analytics can provide valuable insights into the cryptocurrency market, helping you make informed decisions about your investments. One of the key benefits of Uniswap Analytics is that it allows you to track liquidity and trading volumes in real time, giving you a clear understanding of market trends and sentiment. Another important concept in Uniswap Analytics is the analysis of market depth, which refers to the availability of buyers and sellers at different price levels. By analyzing market depth, you can identify potential trading opportunities and avoid getting caught in illiquid markets. Practical examples of using Uniswap Analytics include tracking the performance of specific liquidity pools, analyzing the impact of market events on trading volumes, and identifying trends in cryptocurrency prices. For instance, you can use Uniswap Analytics to track the performance of the ETH/USDT liquidity pool, analyzing the trading volume and liquidity over time to identify potential trading opportunities. Best practices for using Uniswap Analytics include regularly monitoring market trends and sentiment, analyzing data from multiple sources to get a comprehensive view of the market, and using technical indicators to identify potential trading opportunities. It's also important to stay up to date with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market, including changes to Uniswap's protocol and the emergence of new trends and technologies. In conclusion, Uniswap Analytics is a powerful tool for anyone involved in the cryptocurrency market, providing valuable insights and information to help you make informed investment decisions. By understanding the key concepts and practical applications of Uniswap Analytics, you can gain a competitive edge in the market and achieve your investment goals.